reusable spaceplane designed to transport both crew and cargo to low Earth orbit, LEO. It is the only commercial spaceplane with the capability of runway landings, providing unique flexibility and fast turnaround times that set it apart from other space vehicles. Selected by NASA for cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station, ISS, Dream Chaser is equipped to carry up to 5,000 kilograms, 11,000 pounds of pressurized cargo, along with 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds of unpressurized cargo. Based on NASA's HL2 design concept, Dream Chaser is set to broaden space access, serving not only domestic needs, but also offering services to international customers. This marks a significant leap forward in space transportation technology, as the spacecraft's design allows for easy access to space with reduced costs and a quicker turnaround. By opening new possibilities for space missions, Dream Chaser stands as a testament to innovation and progress in the field of space exploration, playing a key role in the future of space logistics and exploration. The gyroplane Nisus is a two-seat autogyro designed by the Polish manufacturer Aviation Trend, perfect for both recreational and professional aviation use. Powered by the reliable Rotax 912 or 914 engine, it achieves a cruising speed of 160 kilometers per hour, 99 miles per hour, and offers a range of up to 600 kilometers, making it ideal for various types of flight distances. Its lightweight carbon composite body enhances aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and overall performance, while features like a ballistic parachute ensure added safety in the air. The spacious cockpit provides ergonomic seating for two, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable flight experience. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or a professional, the gyroplane Nisus combines performance, safety, and modern design to deliver a superior flying experience. It's a versatile, high-performance aircraft designed to meet the needs of those who crave adventure, and the Hero Flyer is a revolutionary personal flying platform that brings the thrill of flight to everyone. With its vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL capabilities, this flying marvel doesn't need a runway, making it perfect for use in cities, open fields, or remote areas. Why it stands out. The Hero Flyer's intuitive controls make it so easy to operate that even beginners can take to the skies confidently. Its lightweight and compact design means it's not only easy to fly, but also simple to transport, whether you're heading to a park for some fun or deploying it for professional tasks. Who's it for? This flying platform is perfect for recreational enthusiasts looking for a fun way to explore the skies. But it's not just for thrill seekers. It's also a valuable tool for professionals, like emergency responders who need quick, reliable aerial mobility. The future of personal aviation. Whether you're soaring for leisure or tackling practical challenges, the Hero Flyer makes personal flight accessible, exciting, and incredibly convenient. It's not just a flying machine. It's a gateway to a new era of freedom and innovation in aviation. Spaceship Neptune offers a one-of-a-kind space tourism experience using a giant hydrogen-filled balloon to gently lift passengers to the edge of space. Reaching an altitude of 30 kilometers, 20 miles, travelers enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Earth from the comfort of a spacious luxury capsule. The 6-hour journey includes 2 hours of ascent, 2 hours of floating at peak altitude, 2 hours of descent. Designed for ultimate comfort, the capsule features ergonomic seating and premium amenities, including a space spa, ensuring a relaxing and memorable adventure. This groundbreaking approach to space travel makes the thrill of space exploration more accessible, setting a new standard in the space tourism industry. The Full Moon Maiden Ride showcases Acropopic's stunning concept bike, the Full Moon. This handcrafted masterpiece blends high-performance engineering with artistic design, making it a true work of art. Featuring a 30-inch front wheel, seamless exhaust system integration, and a body made from high-grade materials, it stands out for its futuristic appeal and functional elegance. Unveiled at the International Motor Show IAA, the Full Moon is a testament to Acropopic's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. Its maiden ride demonstrates the bike's cutting-edge technology and visionary aesthetics, making a bold statement on the road. With its unique design, the Full Moon offers a glimpse into the future of motorcycle engineering. combining both form and function in a spectacular way. This exceptional bike redefines what's possible, offering a perfect blend of beauty and performance. SpaceX's Starship is set to revolutionize space travel with its fully reusable design, pushing the boundaries of human space exploration. Standing 121 meters tall with a 9-meter diameter, this next-generation spacecraft is designed for deep space missions, including travel to Earth orbit, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. At the core of its power are 33 Raptor engines in the Super Heavy booster, while the Starship spacecraft itself is equipped with 6 Raptor engines, providing the thrust necessary for interplanetary travel. The vehicle is capable of carrying up to 100 people on long-duration missions, making it a key component in SpaceX's vision for Mars colonization. Beyond human spaceflight, Starship's versatility extends to satellite deployment, lunar base construction, and even Earth-based point-to-point travel, enabling rapid global transportation. With its first orbital flight anticipated in late 2024, Starship represents a major leap forward in making space exploration more affordable and sustainable, ultimately paving the way for a multi-planetary future for humanity. The third integrated flight test of the SpaceX Starship, known as IF-3, marked a crucial milestone in the spacecraft's ongoing development. Conducted on March 14, 2024, this test represented a major step forward for SpaceX's ambitious plans to revolutionize space travel. The launch took place from the SpaceX Starbase facility on the South Texas coast, and the mission lasted just under 50 minutes. During the test, Starship achieved a significant breakthrough by successfully completing the full-duration second-stage burn and reaching its intended orbital velocity for the first time. This achievement demonstrated considerable progress in the vehicle's capability, bringing SpaceX closer to making fully reusable spacecraft a reality. However, the mission also underscored the challenges that remain, as the Starship ultimately broke apart during atmospheric re-entry. Despite this setback, the IF-3 test provided valuable data that will help refine future iterations of Starship, moving SpaceX another step closer to its goal of making space travel more affordable and accessible. With each test, the company gains critical insights into improving the spacecraft's durability and performance, paving the way for a future where interplanetary travel becomes a routine endeavor. The Farazan Hom Truck concept, developed by Geely's commercial vehicle brand Farazan Auto, is revolutionizing the world of smart, sustainable semi-trucks. Designed to rival the Tesla Semi, the H-Truck is built on a modular platform, offering diverse powertrain options such as a methanol range extender and pure electric with battery swapping capabilities. What truly sets the Hom Truck apart is its focus on making life on the road more comfortable. Its interior is designed like a cozy mobile home, featuring a bathroom with a shower and toilet, a single bed, a refrigerator, a tea maker, a kitchen, and even a small washing machine. It's a dream come true for long-haul drivers, blending comfort with functionality. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The H-Truck integrates seamlessly with logistics networks and big data platforms to improve transportation efficiency. It also features L4 autonomous driving capabilities, pushing the boundaries of smart, connected trucking. With production slated to begin in early 2024, the Hom Truck is poised to become one of the cleanest and most advanced commercial vehicles on the market. Combining sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and driver comfort, it's not just a truck, it's a bold vision for the future of commercial transportation. Asteroid mining is an exciting new field that aims to extract valuable minerals and resources from asteroids in space. These asteroids are like treasure chests floating in space, containing precious materials such as platinum, gold, iron, nickel, and even water. These resources could be used for various purposes, including fueling spacecraft, building structures in space, and even supporting life in future space colonies. As Earth's demand for raw materials continues to grow, asteroid mining offers a potential solution to help meet that demand without harming our planet. Traditional mining on Earth often has a significant environmental impact, but mining asteroids could reduce this harm, providing a more sustainable source of valuable materials. Instead of digging into the Earth's crust, we could look to space to find the resources we need. What's even more exciting is that asteroid mining, once a concept only imagined in sci-fi movies, is becoming more possible thanks to advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, AI, and space travel. These technologies are making it easier and more practical to explore and mine asteroids, transforming what seemed like a distant dream into a tangible reality. Asteroid mining could change the world in a big way. The materials found on these celestial bodies could provide an almost unlimited supply of rare resources, which would help industries reduce costs, boost innovation, and make products like electronics and renewable energy technologies more affordable. By tapping into these resources, we could also fuel the next big leap in space exploration, opening up new possibilities for human missions to other planets, the moon, and beyond. But the potential benefits of asteroid mining don't stop there. The water found on asteroids could be used for life support in space, allowing astronauts to drink, grow food, and even convert it into oxygen. This could make long-term space travel more feasible, enabling humanity to set up permanent settlements on the moon, Mars, or other destinations in our solar system. Moreover, by mining asteroids, we could reduce our dependence on Earth's resources, helping to preserve the planet while expanding our reach into space. In conclusion, asteroid mining is more than just a futuristic idea. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, unlock a wealth of resources, and transform how we explore and inhabit space. As technology continues to advance, asteroid mining could become a key driver of both economic growth and space exploration in the years to come. Polaris Dawn is a groundbreaking mission designed to push the frontiers of human space exploration. Organized by SpaceX and led by Jared Isaacman, this privately funded endeavor seeks to achieve remarkable milestones. Among these is the first-ever commercial spacewalk, where the crew will venture into Earth's orbit aboard the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft. This journey will take them to altitudes exceeding any previous commercial flight, even surpassing the International Space Station's orbit. In addition to setting new records, Polaris Dawn is committed to advancing scientific knowledge. The mission emphasizes critical health-related research, including studying the effects of radiation exposure on the human body during extended space travel. This data will be instrumental in preparing for future missions into deeper space. Furthermore, Polaris Dawn will contribute to the evolution of technology by testing and refining SpaceX's Starlink satellite communication systems. This effort aims to enhance global internet connectivity, providing benefits not only for space exploration, but also for people on Earth. By inspiring innovation and demonstrating humanity's potential for interplanetary travel, Polaris Dawn represents a crucial step in our collective journey toward the exploration of deeper space. This mission embodies the spirit of discovery, progress, and the drive to expand the horizons of what is possible. The Solar Sail mission, featuring the Advanced Composite Solar Sail System, ACS-3, represents a groundbreaking step in space exploration. Launched in April 2024, this mission is designed to showcase innovative deployable structures and materials that enable solar sail propulsion. Unlike conventional propulsion systems that rely on rocket propellant, solar sails harness the power of sunlight to generate thrust, providing a sustainable and efficient alternative for deep space travel. ACS-3 incorporates lightweight composite booms crafted from flexible polymer and carbon fiber materials. These advanced components are both stiffer and lighter than previous designs, offering enhanced durability and performance. During the mission, the deployment and operational efficiency of the solar sail will be rigorously tested, setting the stage for future advancements in space travel technology. This innovative approach has the potential to revolutionize the way we explore the cosmos. By reducing costs and increasing the feasibility of long-duration missions, solar sails could unlock new opportunities for exploring distant planets, studying the sun, and understanding the broader solar system. The ACS-3 mission not only advances our technological capabilities, but also brings humanity closer to a sustainable and cost-effective era of space exploration, opening new frontiers in our quest to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Space tourism and colonization represent one of the most exhilarating frontiers of human innovation, driven by rapid technological progress and the visionary pursuits of leaders like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. These pioneers are spearheading efforts to establish sustainable human settlements on other celestial bodies, such as Mars. The challenges are immense, including life support systems, radiation shielding, and creating environments that enable long-term sustainable living. However, the solutions are equally groundbreaking. Advancements in autonomous habitats, cutting-edge propulsion systems, and bioregenerative life support technologies are vital to turning this ambitious vision into reality. These innovations promise not only to overcome the obstacles of space colonization, but also to redefine our understanding of human adaptability and survival beyond Earth. As we push the limits of exploration, space colonization is poised to usher in a transformative era for humanity. It expands our presence in the cosmos, secures the survival of our species, and paves the way for a future among the stars. With each milestone achieved, we are no longer just imagining a life in space. We are actively constructing it. This remarkable journey marks the beginning of a new chapter in human history, where the dream of living beyond Earth is steadily becoming a tangible reality.